Alright, today I have a Ford Expedition, and I'm going to show you how to put the Ford Expedition into gear. I'm going to show you how to put it into park, reverse, neutral, drive, as well as manual. There's a manual shift option on this vehicle to where you can use the manual shifting features. Okay, this is a shift by wire type of shifting with this rotary dial. Let's go ahead and get through it. But if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the vehicle. The first thing I'm going to do is press the brake pedal firmly. So I have to press the brake pedal firmly. My vehicle is currently on, for those of you who didn't know. And after I press the brake firmly, I'm going to use the gear selection dial, this rotary dial right here, on the console. Using the gear selection dial, I can turn it. Okay, so while keeping my foot on the brake, I'm going to turn the dial or press the gear. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So I'm not going to press the gear with the rotary dial. I'm actually just going to turn this. But I can press the manual. That's how I shift to manual, but I'll get to that with the pressing the gear. So in order to put it into the desired gear, I am going to turn it. Right now it is natively in park, so it's in the park gear or position. Okay, so it's in the park position. If I turn it to the right with my foot still on brake, it is in reverse. Keep on turning, go to neutral. Or D as in drive. That is for driving off, the one you're probably most familiar with other than park, is the drive. So when you turn the dial to the selected gear, the chosen gear will illuminate on the dial. Now, like I said, this dial system is a shift by wire and is standard for recent Expedition models. And the next thing I'm going to go to is the manual mode shifting. Now, if your Expedition is equipped with manual shift capabilities called select shift, you're going to press this M. See this M right here? This is the M button to the manual M mode. When I press that, you can use the plus and minus buttons to shift up or down. All right, I hope this is a brief guide. Let's do a summary steps for this Expedition. Number one, you start with your foot firmly on the brake pedal. You locate the rotary dial on the center console. Turn the dial or press to select the gear for manual. Okay, so you select P, R, N, D. P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, and D for drive while the brake is being held, the foot brake. Now remember that. Now for manual shifting, press the M and use the plus or minus buttons to change gears. Release the brake and apply the throttle when you're ready to move. I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.